today's video, we analyze a real police encounter and the legal standards involved. What began as a routine traffic stop on January 16, 2022 in Camden County, Georgia, would quickly turn into an incident that shocked the community and ultimately led to the criminal indictment of a sheriff's deputy. Body camera footage captured Camden County Deputy Christine Newman pulling over a female driver for a traffic violation. Within minutes, the situation escalated beyond what the law considers reasonable or necessary. This case raises serious questions about use of force, officer restraint, and the sacred responsibility entrusted to those who wear the badge.
Hello. Hey. Does that roll down? It's dark. Alright. You got your driver's license? Alright. The reason why I pulled you over is you didn't stop at that. Hey, buddy.
What you got?
Oh, she's non-judgment suspended. But she's the only one in the car, so I can't let her drive off. I mean, I can let her sit right here until I leave. But she's on private property at this point. I can't make her get out of her car. I just can't tell her she can't drive it.
What?
I can't make her really get out of her car, I mean, if I'm not arresting her.
Take your stories, stick to it.
I am. I know what I'm talking about. Let me go deal with her real quick. Just a second.
I'll probably pull a case number, but
Okay.
I'm outside if you need me.
Yep, thank you. Hey, Dawn. Miss Dawn. Hey. Come on, step out here for me. Because I want you to. Because I'm going to talk to you.
I can't touch you right here.
No, I want you to step out.
Well, I'd like to clean the vehicle, so there's a reason why.
Yeah, I want you to step out.
But there's not a reason for me to
Because
step out
I
of the
told you to
vehicle.
step out, okay? So let's not, I want you to step out because I need you to step out, okay?
I need to have a reason to
You
step
don't
out.
have to. Where is it stating that you have to have a
back over here,
Yeah,
please?
come on.
Ma'am.
Get out. Get out of the car. 11:59 Cameron, I need another unit.
40 you en route.
Get out of the vehicle. I will break this window.
You need them 1018.
She won't get out of the car. Get out of the car, so I'm going to break that window.
You're not going to break the window.
18 Cam and I'm mobile. I'll be to her in 30 seconds.
Get out of the vehicle. Get out of the vehicle right now. Oh my God.
71 by 6 away.
Listen to me. I really don't want to break your window. I really don't. But when I tell you to get out of the vehicle, you are to get out of the vehicle. So get out of the vehicle.
1118 is 23.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Stop sign.
Get out of the vehicle right now.
This officer just hit the damn front of the vehicle.
Get out of the vehicle. Get out of Get out! Right, get the fuck out of my fucking car! Right now, get out! Get out of the fucking car! Get out! Are you fucking kidding?
Traffic stops are one of the most common encounters between police and the public. Officers are trained to gain control of the situation safely and lawfully. Once a subject is placed in handcuffs, the threat level is significantly reduced. At that point, the officer's responsibility shifts from gaining control to maintaining control through professionalism and restraint. Body camera footage shows Deputy Newman striking the handcuffed subject in the head. Moments later, she grabs the restrained subject and slams her head into the push bar of the patrol vehicle. The law is very clear. Use of force must be objectively reasonable under the totality of the circumstances, as established by the Supreme Court in Graham versus Connor. Force is permitted to stop a threat, not to punish. When a subject is restrained and no longer presents an immediate threat, any additional force must be clearly justified under the law. This is where discipline, training, and self-control define the line between lawful authority and unlawful conduct.
All right, you're all right. Come here. You take her. Come here. Walk or I'm going to drag you. Stop. I'll talk to you in a minute, but the way you act right now, we have to put our hands on you. Listen to me.
Sir, you
stop.
just got here.
I know, and that's why I'm going to figure it out, and then I'll talk to you. Stop. Okay?
I'm
Stop.
happy that you got me. Relax.
Okay?
I'm calm.
All right.
I'm calm.
Stop.
You just got here.
I know, and that's why I'm going to figure it out, and then I'll talk to you. Stop. Okay?
I'm
Stop.
happy that you got me. Relax.
Okay?
I'm calm.
All right.
I'm calm. She threw me on the floor. I just need somebody that's not her.
All right. I got you now. Sit down.
All right.
Put your feet in, watch your head.
Can I get this?
Watch your head.
Can I get with this? Hold on. This has got my arm off. I can't get my...
1095, major point. Supervisor here. Starting route.
All right.
This one's got me all...
418, y'all need a squad.
All right.
Not yet.
You hurt?
I'm not sure yet.
Are you anything hurt you? You want medical attention?
My face hurts when it kind of hit the
front of the vehicle?
The ground and then the front of the vehicle.
Okay. I'm going to call you a squad, okay? Pain in the face. Alright, you got an ambulance on the way for you, okay? You okay? Good. You're all right, sister. Good. Okay. She hurt. She want or need medical attention. I'll ask her in a minute. Christy's fine. I got Christy. You go check on her. You okay?
I'm sorry.
It's all right. You're okay. Relax.
I just wanted her to step out the car so I could talk to her about her. We already discussed it.
Relax.
I'm so mad. I'm so like, the fuck?
Just relax.
Did that even come from?
18 Camden, go ahead and start me.
I was coming.
I know. I don't know where that came from. Honestly, she would not get out of the car.
You do what you got to do, okay?
No,
she was non-compliant. You did what you had to do to get.
I think it hurt her when she was in cuffs.
Was she still resisting you in cuffs?
She kept saying for me to get away from her and stop. Yes, to me she was.
Okay. Well, I mean, you can tase somebody in handcuffs if they're still
I didn't
resisting.
tase her. I went hands on her, and I kept saying, I don't want to break your window. But come on, I don't understand this. I don't want to break your window. I didn't break it.
My camera's still hot.
No, I could have.
You don't have to say anything, okay? Wait till Todd gets here, alright? Talk to him, see what he says, alright? You didn't see anything in the vehicle or anything, alright? Okay.
There's nothing.
I don't understand if it's just spitting glasses or something.
She didn't even know that yet. I hadn't even had a chance to tell her.
I'm thinking there might be something else.
I just asked her to step out because I just wanted to talk to her. And she said there's no reason to. I said, yeah, I just want you to step out. And she said no. She hurt.
On January 11th, 2023, the Camden County Grand Jury returned a true bill of indictments charging Deputy Christine Newman with aggravated assault, simple battery, making a false statement, and multiple counts of violation of oath by a public officer. She later turned herself in and was released on bond. Most officers serve with honor, professionalism, and restraint. They understand that the badge represents trust, not power, Incidents like this damage public trust and place honorable officers under greater scrutiny. Accountability is essential, not only for justice, but for preserving the integrity of the profession. Law enforcement carries immense responsibility. The authority to use force must always be guided by discipline, integrity, and restraint, because every badge represents a promise to protect, not harm. This is Texas Safety Watch. My name is Leo. I am a veteran and former law enforcement officer, and this channel exists because of you and your support for me and my family. Stay safe, stay aware, and we will see you in the next case.